Soleil, you know he's the only one that can open them, right? She keeps trying to take the nut from Apollo and, like, not letting him pick one up, even though he's the only one that can open the nut. Just give him 5 seconds. See, Soleil? Look. Soleil, you need to relax. You need to relax. Look, see, he's opening the nut. Now you're gonna wait until your sister gets a little crumb. There you go. See, now Ophelia got a crumb, see? I don't know if Apollo meant to do that. Oh, yeah, now, oh, she bite me. As soon as she sees the crumb for her, she bite me. Do you see, Soleil? See what a little patience gets you?